Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our last video we were talking about the how we can convert the lovable AI design into running WordPress website. So in our last video we have covered the header part, and after that video I have generated my logo, brand logo, and again created another uh, AI mockup with the help of lovable, and these are the two uh, basically mockup we are going to cover, and I'm going to build the my website with this layout. Okay, so in our last video we have discussing in last time theme were the with the dark layout. So I have generated this logo, and this logo doesn't fit with the dark theme. I have put my new logo to the Lovable and asked Lovable to generate the new mockup to match with my brand logo and logo color. Hello, my name is Navneet. I am a software developer. Without wasting any time, let's start the journey of building the amazing website with the AI to WordPress. So, in the website, I'm going to cover the SaaS, how we can use this SaaS in um, WordPress, and how we can convert the AI generated mockup into a WordPress with using of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap without using any drag and drop builder. So using a SaaS, this is very useful CSS. So with the use of these we can create a variable, and with for the color, for the spacing, and for the body spacing, and font sizes. Okay, so all are covered in the variable. We can use these variable, don't need to we can use these variable. Okay, do not don't we don't need to give the color code or font name every time. So we can generate the variable with the according to our need, and we can use the simple wording without, instead of using this this is very hard to remember every time. Okay, so we just created a variable like medium gray, subtle gray, and black pearl. Okay, so this is my mockup, and I'm going to fetch the color from this design. For that, so now I don't know what color is this and what color is this in the background. So I'm going to use this color picker to select my color. Just simply I have already this shows you how we can add the color zilla to your Chrome extension. Simply click here, and you can pick the right color here. And now we don't know what color name is it. For the color name, we can use, I have pasted the color code in this chir.ag. For from this site you can check the color name from any hexadecimal color code. So you can see this is the sand dune. I'm going to add sand dune as a variable in my SAS. So first just put the color code here, and now I'm going to use this name sand dune. Add the dollar sign and paste your color code here, and keep all the text in small size, small letter. Okay, and these are the color which we are not going to use in this layout. Simply remove this color. Okay, and now update it. So by this simple step you have created a color variable by using this SAS in this layout. Okay, so this is my header right now, and on this design you can see this is the header right now. Okay, so I'm going to into the header.css and header.php, and here simply remove I'm going to remove this background color code and refresh the website. Okay, remove this and update. Now hard replace it. So as you can see, this is the my logo and this is the mockup. Okay, in the very left side we have these menu item, and very right side we have a menu item, and very left side we have my logo. So as you can see right now, this is the logo is like a little bit so much bigger, and my menu is is not styled yet. So first I am going to fix this menu size. So for that, this is the menu, and simply change the width of this, set the width of this logo. Wait, refresh, inspect this element and put it here. And now what happened? Class inspector height shortcut. Weight set 50%. Okay, so you can also decrease it by 40%. I think 40% looks fine to me. Yeah, and the other best important thing, why should we use the SAS? In the SAS you can use a parent class and add the child class inside the parent class. You don't need to type the header and child and then tag element multiple times. So this is the beauty of using SAS. So here class name is logo, and this is the font, this is the width of my logo section, and refresh it. So I have set the width to 40% of my site logo, and let's see, refresh the page and see, yeah, it is working. So now focus on the menu item. So as we can see, these are the menu, and just check the menu, what color menu label is. So here I can see this is the color of the menu item. Simply of this. So yeah, this is a new thing I also learned. So this color picker doesn't work in this inspect element color code ID. So you need to inspect the color through this. So this is very small text. Yeah, this one. Let's see. This, pick your color code and inspect and chir.ag and chir.ag and check your color name. So put your hexadecimal color code here, and you will see the color name here. So now let's create another variable for the color code. Go to your variable file, and inside it simply put hash and rest of the 60. As you can see, in the last variable in the color code, this is a hash is missing. So if there is no hash, then your color will not work. So here I am just copying the color name here. This is a gray, and let's create another color variable with gray. Okay, and color. Here update your file and go to your variable, go to your header.scss file and inspect the menu item. So in the menu, this is the our main class for the menu. So menu also inside the header section, so we can use it inside the main section class. Inside it we have ul and li. So for bracket ul and li. So now let's check ul, li and a. So in the ul, li we have a, simply add anchor tag, and that's it. So for this, for the a tag, you also need to input the font size, line height and color. So in the color I am going to use the gray. Okay, now update it. Fonts menu item font size is 24, line height 30, and now refresh. You can see undefined variable black pearl layout header.scss line 12. Black pearl. What is black pearl? This is the black pearl. Oh, I changed the font variable. Okay, I need to change the color variable. So this is the gray, and now update and refresh. So yeah, this is working, and width is we need to decrease the font size and decrease the font size to 18. 18 is enough, and font width is should be 400 for the menu item. Update, and now let's check. Yeah, this is working. So inspect my, this is the logo is on left side and my menu is not on the right side. So what we can do, align, we can use the align property. In the menu, as you can see, I have changed this justify content and to the start to end. So I'm going to put this CSS inside the UL menu main UL tag. Okay, and update and refresh your page now and see what happens. Yeah, so my menu is on the very right side and logo on the very left side. Now see, this have the top and bottom some padding here, and my logo doesn't have the top and bottom padding. So here in the main class, I will use the, before the main class, I'm going to create a one variable for this. So you can use direct these classes to your main HTML to have the padding or spacing. Okay, yeah, let's use TTB 30 or let's say 20. Okay. Padding top 20 pixel, padding bottom 20 pixel. Okay, save this class, and now simply copy this class and paste it with the main section class and refresh your page. Now we can see there is some little bit padding has been added to the above this section. So if you want to confirm, you can see this green box is the padding box. So Now we need to add the hover effect on the menu item. So as you can see, this have the hover effect, and on the click we need to change the color of that particular menu item. So select this and copy the color code, I think I have already added a variable with it for this color. No, I have not added. Okay, let's add it. Go to your color picker, select the name. Okay, now I am going to add another variable for this hover effect color, back, and color name is this dollar, and color name should be small letter. Copy this variable name and update it, and let's add a hover effect for this anchor tag, and hover background color is this. Okay, and text color is white, color is dollar white, and update it. Refresh it and see. You can see this background color hover effect is working. So this is the dot below the label. There is a one text decoration dot dashed line. We don't need it. Simply go to this here and put text decoration none. Okay, and we also need to add the border radius. Border radius equal to 15 pixel. Now update and see. Yeah, this is working, but right now this have the like a lot of padding, and it doesn't look good to me. Okay, so now why this padding is here, simply padding 10 pixel. Okay, top, bottom, yeah, sorry, line height. This is because of the line height. We can decrease the line height 18 to 20, and decrease the font size as well 16, and we keep it 16 as well. Okay, now refresh it and see. Yeah, now this is good. Now it's looking good. Okay, I don't like this menu item. This color is very like not attractive. Okay, so whatever, we will do this, change it later. Now let's move on to the next section. Close this, or go to your home page template, and here add a one section. section class hero banner. Now add the container container div close, and inside this container add one row, div class row and div close. Inside this row use column, div class call sm6 and call 12 and div close. For this hero banner, this is updated, this is good. Now go to the home.scss file. So here in the home.scss file, I will add my all the CSS related to the home page. And first is the background color. So background color is the same what we have given to the menu hover effect. Background color is this column, and let's add some padding. Padding top 100 pixel and padding bottom 100 pixel, and save this file and save this file, and before adding any text refresh it. Okay. As you can see, this background and with the padding has been added to the home page, and see, this is the color and this is the background color. Okay, and that's it for today. That's it. We have covered the header and SCSS and menu hover effect and how we can add the logo, and this is the like just starting, and in upcoming video we will share the full journey building of this website with you guys. If you find it useful and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and share this video to your beginner friend who want to start his journey in web development with the WordPress, or want to learn the HTML, SCSS and Bootstrap. Thank you so much guys.